unboxing the Colossal Crash Action Hot Wheels set. It is the biggest Hot Wheels motorized set ever, which is super cool. And so it came with these two cars. It only comes with two cars, and it is these two. All of these other ones on the floor are mine already. These are the only two cars that come with the set. So what you do, basically, is so one car goes in there, the other car goes over here, and you can connect to other sets through there. But then I'm going to turn this on. This is going to be loud. Then I'm going to pull this lever and release the car, and it can do jumps as well, and I'll explain all of that in a moment. But let's get to track, and it seems like we have a winner. This blue car actually came around and knocked this car right off the track. So it looks like we have a winner. And so these are the two cars it comes with, but it works with other cars too. See? And I will show you this in the next video, and I will explain the jumps.